So we go to Brad Lawler Home Team inspection. Tammy sent us an email. She wants to sell her house, but her brother Joey is continually smoking in his room. He is promising to quit or at least stop smoking inside and go outside. But Tammy says the smoke has infiltrated all parts of the house. She wants to know what type of reduction in price is she looking for, and I'll give her that. And then when she tries to sell a home, is there any way to get rid of smoke in the house? So a reduction in price, it could be anywhere between 20 and 50,000, depending upon the price of the home. You're really doing yourself damage because someone's going to have to come in and clean up what, in this case, Tammy, your brother has done. Brandon, your thoughts?
Yeah, well, I mean, maybe, just maybe, if it is limited to one room, if you've got carpeting in there, you've got any soft textiles in there, get rid of all that, take all that out. You can probably repaint the walls in the room. The reason that the smoke is getting throughout the house, though, is it's going through the return duct in that bedroom and circulating back through. So this is probably one of those situations where you want to get the ductwork cleaned and, I'm not going to say deodorized, but treated in a way that's going to eliminate as much odor as possible. Probably have to replace the air filters, run those, probably replace them a few times during the process. But that might help it if it is really just that one room. But yeah, the fabrics are what hold most of the smell. But the nicotine sticks to walls too. You'll see the yellow stains, and those can be painted over. But you're just gonna have to use an oil-based sealer, like a Kills product, before you do the final paint over top of it.
Okay, hope that helps, Tammy.